Honor now working on the Magic 8 Ultra to rival the likes of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, Oppo Find X9 Ultra, and Vivo X300 Ultra. A new Weibo post from a reliable tipster has revealed the key specifications of the Magic 8 Ultra. It is said to pack a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a quad-curve design. The screen will support a 1.5K resolution and include an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. It will also support 3D face recognition. The Magic 8 Ultra's rear camera setup is tipped to include a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50R main camera and offer a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 4.3x to 7x optical zoom. The Honor Magic 8 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, run Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. It is also said to house a large battery of around 7,000 mAh capacity, support 120W wired and 50W wireless charging. The Magic 8 Ultra will debut in the first half of 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.